It's that time of year again, and IKEA released their new 2019 catalog. And the theme for this year are the different types of homes, styles, and lives we live in. From the simple sanctuary to relax and escape our busy lives, to the family life packed with kids and playthings, to the open, flexible concept to change and adapt to our dynamic lives. Hi, I'm David, and here's a quick look at the new 2019 IKEA catalog. In the catalog, they feature 7 types of homes depending on what style you prefer, and showcase ideas on how to use IKEA's existing and new items to fill that space. I'm going to quickly go over all 7 and highlight a couple items that caught my eye, starting with the first home called Haven in the City. This is a home to escape our busy lives with a soft, calm setting, filled with light pastel colors and natural wood. Items that can fill this type of home include a floor lamp for a nice warm light, a new bed frame made from solid birch wood, wall storage to hide away your clutter, and a really nice wood table and light oak conference chairs. If you prefer a space that's a little more unique and full of color, home number 2 is called Limited Space, Unlimited You. And with this home, it's more about the accessories that fill that space to represent our personality. Colorful plates, lamps, and fabrics to bring life to the space. You can also leave everything out on a couple racks, or store them away in shelves and boxes. For those collectors who like to keep a variety of treasures scattered across their place, home number 3 is called Where More is More, inspiring different ways to organize and display the variety of trinkets you've accumulated. You can display them in a simple and classic book unit, to versatile racks and cupboard space, or moving to the kitchen with a wine rack, and this gorgeous kitchen island with space for your pots and pans. Prefer a space a little more in tune with nature, home number 4 is called Resourceful and Loving It, finding ways to incorporate plants and natural wood into the space. A room divider that also acts as additional storage, shelving units designed for indoors or out to keep all your tools and pottery, and of course a wood table to go along with all that nature in your place. Have a big family full of babies or kids? Home number 5 is called Full House, focused on making a space that brings everyone together, but also provides everyone their own private time. At the dinner table, everyone can have their own different type of chair. In the living room, everyone can curl up in a nice comfortable sofa, or let the kids have their own space with tables that accommodate their size and storage units low enough for their reach. I've always preferred the open concept with flexible and multifunctional solutions, and for that there's home number 6 called Open Up for Change. There's furniture that moves where you need it, such as a laptop stand to work from the sofa, and a side table for quick access to your snacks and drinks. An extended kitchen island that also acts as your dining table, to the open concept closet of my dreams. And finally, tiny living is becoming much more common as space becomes a luxury. Home number 7, called Room for Big Ideas, looks for ways to save space in a challenging tiny room. Floor-to-ceiling wall storage is a must in these circumstances to take advantage of all the available space. Or go dorm room style with a high loft bed and sofa on the bottom for friends. And you can even install a bare-bones yet functional kitchen complete with sink, fridge, and storage. So that's a quick look at the new 2019 IKEA catalog, which is less about releasing new products, but instead reimagining how to fit existing products into the different types of homes of today. But you can check it all out in the digital catalog that I linked below. Hope you guys enjoyed this one, you know what to do, and I'll see you in the next video.